To add an email address into your address book from your Canon copier, go to the Scan and Send icon on the home screen. Select the address book here, and then you'll want to select Register New Destination. Select Email once again, and then you'll want to enter in the information for that user. So here I'm going to type in the user's name first. Once I have that information in, I can then select to enter in the email address. So again, with the keyboard, I'll type in that information, and once that's entered, simply select OK. Now that the information has been entered, it is registered into the address book, so you can go back into the address book and see that your user has been entered and is now programmed.